Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha narrates that on one occasion during the night, I did not find the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in his bed. I thought that perhaps he had gone to one of his other wives. When I went in search of him, I found out that he had gone to Jannatul Baqi, the graveyard in Medina. Upon reaching there, the Prophet ﷺ said, "Peace be upon you, the abode of the believing people. You have gone before us, and we will soon follow you. O Allah, do not deprive us of their reward, and do not test us after their departure." Then the Prophet ﷺ turned around and saw me, and he said, "I wish you had the strength not to do this." The same narration is also found in another chain of narrators. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23379.